Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to spectate online matches in Marvel Rivals. Okay, first of all, just go over here on top right corner and click on this icon. Now, click on leaderboard. As you can see, there are a number of players. Now right click with your mouse and just click on spectate. Okay, okay. So that's how you can spectate online players. Just right click with your mouse and click on spectate. If they are online, this option will you will see this option, okay, like this. And if they are not online, you will see a blank option. That's it for the video. That's how you can spectate online matches in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching.